This is Jesus again from Station, and today we're going to be building a login page for our directory website. So what we're going to be building in this directory website is going to be something along the lines of TripAdvisor, or as you can see, you can explore by cities, or you can be looking at different experiences. So I really like the design of TripAdvisor, so we're going to be focusing a little bit more on the design of TripAdvisor, but the functionality will be closer to what Yelp offers, where you can find restaurants or places to go in each individual city. Something along the lines of this. So each restaurant would have their own reviews and their own information that you can go and read. With that being said, we're going to start building our login and sign up. So the first thing I did was I went to each page and I converted it to the responsive page. So let's say we're going to do a login, and we're going to convert it to responsive, just so you can see. So basically you want to click up here where it says responsive, and then you want to click on upgrade responsive. Click there, the page is being loaded, and you can click cancel there, and that's it. That's all you have to do. With that being said, we're going to use this page for now, but basically we're going to be building a reusable element, and we're going to be building a page. So that way, both of them, you can see exactly how they look like, and you can select the one that better fit your project. So we drag a pop-up here in the middle of the screen. We're going to remove the style right here, and I like rounded corners, so we're going to make sure it's round. We have to go to the layout, and we're going to be using columns for this one. So column A is going to be another column, and this one is going to be 50% of the screen up to 50%. So, and then it's going to be all the way down. So for making it go the full height, and you want to click here the height to content, and you want to uncheck it. Minimum height is going to be about 200 pixels, and the maximum height as high as it needs to go. We're going to copy this one, and we're going to paste it. Actually, let's see what we did wrong. All right, let's convert this into a row. And now we have, okay. We're going to give color so we can see what we're working with. This will have a color for now, and this one will have a different color for now. I like that one. Let's see what we did wrong. Okay. For some reason, this is not going for height. So it's going to be 100% and about 50% in this case. Okay, they're both going to be 100%. So here we go. So the left side, we're going to turn it into an image, and we're going to upload an image. Let's see what we can find here. It doesn't need to be anything special. Let's make sure image is centered. So there you go. There's an image on the left side, and then on the right side, we're going to add another group here in the middle. And this is going to be a column. And this is going to be, let's see, minimum 50%, maximum 75. Let's make sure that is centered, 75%. And we're going to add a margin at the top. Actually, it's going to be about 15 pesos. We're going to add another group for the top. It's going to be a row. It's going to be maximum width. And this is going to have another margin of 20. Now we're going to add our logo here in the middle of it. So basically what we're doing is we're creating a nice experience for users when they come into the page. They can see, they can have a nice first impression. So center, let's make sure that we're keeping the aspect ratio so it looks nice. And we're going to increment this by 5. Let's make it 20. So now here we're going to be adding, so this is going to be login, going to be center. We're going to remove the style, and we're going to make it bold, to change the color, fully black. This one is going to be email address, and we're going to have some margin at the top, so it's not all pushing together. Then we're going to add an input, and this is going to be email address. The format is going to be email, and we can close this for now. Well, actually, let's make it full width. So 70%, yeah, sounds about right. We're going to add another test. This one is going to be the password. We're going to add about 20 pesos there. We're going to add an input, and the input password. There we go. And lastly, we're going to add a group, not a group, a button at the bottom that says login. Let's make it full width. Who cares? And about 30. Looks about right. Let's see. So here we're going to create a workflow. Come on. The workflow will log the user in. The email, it will be input email address value. the password, input password value, stay logged in, yes. You can make it remember the email by default, and that's it. So that's a login form. Let's create another button down here for sign up. We're going to make a full width 30, 10, and we're going to create another group here. Let's see. Actually, the best way to go about it would have been to create another group down here, but there's lack of space. Let's make this a little bit nicer. So what we're going to do is this element for now is not going to be visible on page load. And we're going to go back here and we're going to make it disappear. And that's it for now. I'm going to show you in another video how to do the sign up. Thank you for watching.